Manipur Human Rights Commission MHRC today released a document containing observations and recommendations concerning internally displaced persons, which were compiled following a camp sitting at Bishnupur District Mini Secretariat on January 13th. Speaking to media at MHRC office in this regard, Chairperson of Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights CPCR, Kaisham Pradeep Kumar, demanded government to ensure that there are no further displacement of people. He also urged government to give a timeline as to when these internally displaced persons will be rehabilitated at their homes. Speaking further, Pradeep Kumar said that camp sitting was conducted to take stock of health, right to education and sanitary arrangement, and also to understand mental well-being of internally displaced persons. He added that Bishnupur district has been the worst affected district by the ongoing crisis, which started in May 3rd, 2023. About 9,600 IDPs are currently lodged at 46 relief camps in the district. Out of the total IDPs, 2,342 are students of nursery to class 12, and 70% of these students are getting their education from private schools.
Manipur conflict IDP ni temporary settlement IDP camps Mai akakna matamamda kaum kanda IDP sing mayumda hanjani hangiba IDP camp se asibok tang hangani haibagi timeline ama tigadabni haibasima akoina reiterate tawjari haibagi camp ama hangdoi haiga asibok matam pidabida indefinite oba matamda camp se chalaigadabni haibagi mawngda chatpa yade masi lairiba MHRC gi recommendation da make sure na pale maduna time frame ama laigadabni aduga yamna sangna aduma lisang sina hangbagi mawngda chatharoidabni loina na makha taba IDP sing follow kanaba preventive aspect sing orang sing pahekadabni haibase masimjo koina nisingdari.
On the other hand, member of Manipur Human Rights Commission MHRC Kangjam Khagendra said reports suggest most of the students in relief camps are enrolled in private schools, and government must ensure that these students get all the necessary requirements. He also suggested government to set up residential schools by engaging few government teachers. Khagendra also urged government and Transport Department to make necessary transportation arrangement for internally displaced students. He further appealed to government and health department to provide medicines and healthcare needs for internally displaced persons in the state.
IDP in the children the new Bomo of Namakoida from the community right from the Viaki. I do that in a quick verse came the Kutai Hazadi, they was Hakashida, even Nasida, Makoida, Mum to Pamakoidi, Huxley, Niemona, Himbabi, point the comment of government that they asked. Hambadaka and Hanakan, point Handari, IDP the lady bar, Angang Singi, Elash Tambagi, Kudung Sada Lady Mayamsi, England Masoka, Aduna Ikuna, Education Commissioner, highly better commission, Tori Basimasi, Tuna Pangpo Navagi, Wafam in a quick Handari, City Maternity the Via, Adumayamsi, Lenga Asuna, Angang Duri Honda. I like them, but I give everything to do Angang Singa, Asama Hamnavati. When the society amada education yaw the yadabna education se priority oy da ka oy se pelenga ka pel thadi haiba IDP ki angang singida bakoi bakoi school da chat ya no gi transport ki kunung cha busin pe bi ma thok da hodi IDP single laiba inme sing gi health da ka oy ba ka se kai madu acquired rokan ma ko da supply to da ka tang haiba da hodi ki diabetes na bi yawri hypertension bi yawri dialysis ki yawri masi mayam ki pi dragadi amoy na awa ba thang do ri